Now what do we have here? Oh, it's a square cabinet in terracotta orange. Oh, and what could this be? Could it be? It is! What do you know? After I've been dying for one of these for quite some time, I finally got one. Now this is a 1976 Lakewood S-223, first generation, in terracotta orange. I got this from Cameron S. on the DT forums. A lot of y'all might have known of him as Mr. Casablanca 92 on YouTube. Well, he's been getting rid of a bunch of fans, and he later noticed that I was really wanting one of these, and he offered this to me, and I accepted the offer, and well, here it is. Yeah. Just like you, Lakewood 91 and EmersonCollie, this is what I consider a real box fan in terms of plastic-bladed box fans. Yeah, I just like the look of these blades in the square cabinet. In fact, I like square cabinets, period. Especially since I grew up with a box fan, a square cabinet. That super electric that I've mentioned to y'all about a few times before. I'll give you a look around on the fan and then we'll fire up. And there's the top. Yep, good old terracotta orange. And I'll give you a close-up here. As you can see, it's got little white paint splatters on the top. No biggie on that. Give you a shot of the side. Oh, looks pretty good on the side. Other side. A few marks here and there, but looks nice. Yeah, Cameron's mentioned this before, but here I'm going to show it off more to you. This fan, as he mentioned, was parts of it were painted over with gold paint. Especially in the bottom. Can't see it very well on this camera. And on both the inside, on the sides. Well, at least it wasn't painted all over like that P23 of Eric 92DA's, which a lot of us know of as the Crack House P23. Turn around to the back. Yeah, just like my first generation K223, this also has a Westinghouse motor. Get a close up. Yeah, it's got the paint peeling off with the shell. But unlike my K223, if you look closely here, the lettering is still intact on the sticker for the Westinghouse motor. Take it up here. Here's the date code on there. If you look close enough, it says B76, which means this fan, or maybe just this motor, was produced in February of 1976. So that just puts it like 3 months ahead of my 1975 K223, which is from November of 1975. for which the date code is L75. And a full shot of the back. Okay, turn this thing back around. Give you an operation. So, here we go. As Lakewood 91 would say, here's high. Here's high. Now, the speeds to this one kind of run a bit fast, too, but not as fast as my first gen K-223 with the Westinghouse motor. Here's medium, son. And low. Yeah, low is probably more like a medium low on this fan. Believe it or not, it runs a bit slower when I have it at my dad's house. I don't know what it is. I guess because it's a bigger room at that house. This room's kind of small and it's pretty cramped. Anyway, back to high. And off. Yeah, I really like the look of those blades, especially in this cabinet. And that's my 1976 first generation Lakewood S-223 terracotta orange box fan. Thanks for watching.